All. Good morning to all. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. So, stay at your home, be safe and be healthy. Yes, dear students, me Manpit Kaur from California Public School, your geography teacher. Yes, students, in the previous video, we have to discuss about the symbols of a map and diagrams. In diagrams, we have to discuss about river, meanders, anticline and synclines. So, today's date is 5 May 2020 and yes dear students, in this video we have to discuss firstly about the tributaries and distributaries. The stream or a small river joins or a flow into a large river is called a tributary system. Means when any small river joins into a large river. When any small river joins to a large river, that is called the tributary of any river. For example, Yamuna is the tributary of Ganga. Yamuna is the tributary of Ganga. A tributary stream rarely flows into a sea or an ocean. The tributary along with the main river form the river basin such as the Ganga river basin. Means that river water continuously move into the main river and their end is also with the ocean or any sea. Next, in the lower course or when the main river is approaching its mouth, mouth means where its end, the speed of the river decline. Decline means slow, decreased. This led to the deposition of sediments on the floor of the river. The main channel gets divided into many streams which are called distributaries. Means from the main river, as main river slow down, its water flows into this way. So that is called the distributaries. Distributaries. The distributaries never join the main river. Again they not to be join the main river. So next one is our the delta. River makes the delta. In the lower course, the main work of the river is to deposit sediments on the bed of the river and thus dividing the main channel into the number of channels. Means when the river near about its end, it starts to deposit its sediment whatever he carries from the mountains. So when it's near to its end, near to its mouth, it's dividing into some channels. This led to the formation of delta. This led to the formation of a delta, which is mostly triangular in shape. Mostly triangular in shape. The Ganga and Brahmaputra river together form the largest delta in the world. Ganga and Brahmaputra river. Ganga river is the main river of the India that starts from the Gangotri and pass from the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Brahmaputra enters from the Arunachal Pradesh into the India and firstly it flows from the China, and both the rivers makes the Sundarban delta. Which delta? Sundarban delta. So next one is our the block mountains. The block mountains are formed due to the faulting activity of the earth crust. Faulting activity, अर्थ क्रस्ट को एक दूसरी की तरफ से खींचना, इससे हमारे बनते हैं ब्लॉक्स. दे कैन बी फॉर्म्ड इनटू टू वेज. टू वे से बनते हैं. फर्स्ट, व्हेन द लैंड बिटवीन टू फॉल्स ऑलमोस्ट पैरेलल. टू लैंड्स हैं, ठीक है, फॉल्स हैं, एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हैं टोटली. देन इट रेज्ड अबव द एडजॉइनिंग एरिया. जो उसका एरिया ज्वाइन कर रहा है वो लिटिल बिट रेज्ड हो जाता है. दैट्स बिकम अ फॉल्ट. सेकेंड, when the land on the outer side of the fault slips down. अगर फॉल्ट का आउटर साइड है वो स्लिप हो जाए, नीचे की तरफ हो जाए, द लैंड बिटवीन द फॉल्ट्स रेज एट द हायर. जो साइड्स पर रह जाएगा वो ऊपर रह जाएगा और डाउनवर्ड नीचे रह जाएगा. देन आल्सो द block mountains formed. The block mountains have the flat summits, tops and steep slopes on the sides. Upside flat है, slopes are the steeps. The Vygoses in Europe are one of the famous block mountains. That is the example. यूरोप में mountains हैं जो हैं block mountains हैं. Yes, that is the two types of the block mountains, how they have to be formed. Yes, dear students, in this chapter what we have to read, firstly globe. Globe is the appropriate model of the earth as it is round like the shape of the earth. So next, what is a map? Map is the drawn on the flat surface in place of a curved surface of a globe, can be more useful than the globe. First, a map is a symbolic representation which can show the earth as a whole or a part of it. Map shows the whole earth, also one part of the earth is. Map can also show the land masses, water bodies in the proper size in relation to each other. So map has a small area, say house is called the layout or a plan. So it is always on a scale. Scale क्या है? Scale is the ratio between a map distance and the ground distance. Next, scale is of the three type: verbal scale, or we can say that verbal statement, representative fraction, and third one is a linear scale. Next, our four cardinal directions. Which one cardinal directions? East, west, north, south, and intermediate directions हैं northeast, southeast, northwest, and southwest. Next is sign and symbols widely we have to use to show the large variety of information in a single map. So next is the diagrams. In diagrams we have to discuss about the river, meanders, anticline, synclines, tributaries, distributaries, delta, and the block mountains. So hope students you have listened it carefully and understand it. So take care, stay home, be healthy, bye bye.